Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access PrizePicks from anywhere. Alright, let's begin. First, you'll need a VPN to bypass geographical restrictions. I recommend Proton VPN for its security and reliability. Start by checking the PrizePicks availability map to find a state where the game you want to play is accessible. For example, let's choose Miami. Open your VPN app and connect to a server in the chosen state. Now, you can get the Proton VPN OpenGUI for free and then connect it through its app. You can also use NordVPN. NordVPN is a popular virtual private network service known for its strong privacy features, security, and wide server network. It helps users protect their internet connection by encrypting their data and masking their IP address, which enhances privacy and bypasses geo-restrictions. It has over 5,500 servers in 60+ countries, allowing users to access global content. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. It also supports routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. NordVPN offers monthly, yearly, and multi-year plans, with longer commitments providing significant discounts. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you want to get started with NordVPN, you will find affiliate link in the video description. If you sign up through link, you will get a good discount on NordVPN. Once you're connected to the chosen location, your internet traffic will appear to originate from there. Now, open PrizePicks and you should be able to access the login page without restrictions. Click Allow on the location prompt to proceed. Remember, this method works best if you already have a verified PrizePicks account. For new accounts, you'll still need to provide valid US documentation during the verification process. So that's basically how you can access PrizePicks from anywhere. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.